Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this series, we take you to discover unique places we visited during our road trip in Costa Rica. One of our favorite parts was the Cacao Lodge. Let's have a look. Our little lodge. We have a separate bed for Lucas and a double bed with a mosquito net. The lodge offers a homemade dinner on an open fire. It was one of the most authentic meals we had during our entire stay in the country. The next day, we had a chocolate tour and workshop booked for the afternoon. After a homemade breakfast, we went to visit the nearby Volcano Tenorio National Park. It is famous for its blue river, the Río Celeste. It's 12 for the adults and 5 for the kids. This national park has about 1,000 tickets available every day for visitors, so we had to be there quite early. So much spray here that you have the feeling you are in a fog. Yeah, there's the water from the volcano meeting with the fresh water, and then they become light blue. They change the pH. It's open from 8 a.m. We were here just a bit before 9, no? A quarter 20 to 9 we were here. Back at the lodge, we started our chocolate journey with a visit of their very own cacao plantation. Our host from the lodge showed us how the plants grow, how they are made more resistant, harvested, and how the beans are fermented. This is how it looks after 6 days fermentation. No? Smells? Yeah, like chocolate, no? This has still 2 layers, no? It's wrapped in 2 layers. This is the chocolate at the end. At the end of the visit, we learned more about cacao butter and other cacao-based sweets. So this is the cocoa jam.
Cocoa jam.
Yeah, so cocoa jam. Try a bit of the cocoa juice. Yeah, try the cocoa juice. Try. You ready to make some chocolate? Yes. Our chocolate making workshop started with roasting the beans. Afterwards, they were passed through a large grinder. Then it was time to pass the beans through a second smaller grinder that also helped separate the remaining shell from the final cacao bean. With a ventilator, the light shells were blown on the floor and only the small cacao pieces remained for the next step. After one last grind of the cacao into a coarse powder, it was time to go to the mixing machine. Here, cacao butter, sugar and cacao powder were mixed to a fine consistency. Milk was added in the milk chocolate part.
Our dark chocolate and milk chocolate.
So what are you doing exactly?
I'm making chocolate from the machine
Why?
because we are going to make chocolate bars with all
Chocolate
the
bars?
melted chocolate.
The mixing took about 12 hours, so we continued the recipe the next day. First, the chocolate had to be heated up and then cooled down to 28 degrees to continue the process. Once the chocolate molds were filled, we had to shake them to make sure that the air trapped inside gets out.
So let's see what we have in the bag.
So what's in the next?
Wow, the branded bag and is filled with chocolate. This is all the chocolate we've made.
With more than 1 kilogram of chocolate that we prepared and that the lodge packed for us, and after another great homemade breakfast, we started towards our next destination on the coast. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss our next adventures in Samara and Monteverde. See you there!